Howdy, Dell.
Hi.
I hear you have something else to show us here.
Yeah, it's in this book here. It's something that I built that I wasn't sure when I built, but this book was published in 1983. Was printed.
Yeah.
And there's a picture of it there.
Ah, there sure is. And I see you have it here.
Yeah.
You want to tell us about it?
Well, it's one of the first ones I built. I built a lot of experimental things first, and then I decided that I needed something to make the chain work, so I put this thing together. It's not, most of it works now, but there's some glue lines have come loose. So this part right here is not working very well.
Needs a little maintenance.
Yeah, it needs a little maintenance. But it demonstrates a bunch of different mechanical movements.
What's it made of?
It's made out of alder.
Only alder and glue, huh?
Yeah. Wood and glue.
Well, let me get in here close and you can show us some of the workings. And it also operates off of a single crank, right?
Yeah. Well, now the chain's come loose on
Chain
it.
coming. Okay, well,
It's high maintenance.
well, glue.
Everything when you make wood, when you're working within a 16th of an inch, glues don't always hold. This one here, I see the gear is not, it's slipping somewhere. Oh, one of the pegs just fell out.
Oh.
One of the pegs just fell out. This modular, so it comes apart, same as the deal, so I can take it apart, put the peg in. Put it back together. These things, the glue is not permanent. And now it's working.
Yeah. Let's move around here and see if I can get different views of it.
It hangs up once in a while. This thing is over 10 years old. Well, 83, so
25 years.
I must have made it in 82, so.
25 plus years old.
Yeah.
Want to talk about some of these things you got going here? That funny reach out and grab them thing.
This thing here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget what they call that motion, but
It's got two periods of activity that are triggered at different times. I see.
it works off of Geneva stop motion.
Which one is that?
That's this part here. It's kind of hard to see.
Oh yes, I see. With this.
It's got slots in it and a big gear in there with a peg, and when the peg comes around and goes in the slot, it turns at a quarter turn. So when that turns a quarter turn, it turns this a quarter turn.
Yeah.
Makes this go a quarter. So it's got 4 different positions.
Oh,
There,
4
1,
different positions.
2, 3, 4.
I see. Yeah. That.
1, 2, 3, 4. And the same one with this one over here does the same thing because it's working off another one.
Can
on
you
the other
swing it
side.
around a little bit to show us what you mean?
And it's got 4 positions too.
Yeah. The rod that goes up and down there.
Yeah.
What other interesting mechanical motions are in there?
Well, it did remove converting oscillating motion into rotary motion right here. I don't remember what they're called. There's different names for them, but they're kind of hard to remember.
There's one that obviously does that, does rotary to lateral.
Yeah, this one here.
Yeah.
This is kind of like the crankshaft they had in some of the old cars, and also scroll saws lots of times have this motion in the box underneath.
Yeah.
But like I say, part of this isn't working, which is normal. I have to fix them almost every time I go to show them.
Well, you know, because they sit for sometimes 2 or 3 years before you do anything with them.
But in between this one and my other machine, I made a bunch of little machines, which are over there.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, I'll stop it here.
Yeah.